وَهُوَ مَعَكُمْ أَيْنَمَا كُنْتُمْ. And He is with you wherever you may be. This ma'iyah of Allah, when we were influenced by Greek philosophy, we started discussing, is Allah physically here with us? How is He here with us? If He says He's with us here, where is Allah exactly? What He says He's on the arsh, now He says He's with us. How do we reconcile these things? We're missing the entire point. The point of Allah Azza wa Jal saying He's with us, huwa ma'akum, is to know that you're never alone. Is to know that Allah's company is with you. It's to know that you and I are constantly in Allah's presence. First, Allah describes that He's this incredible king that rose on His throne, that created everything, that everything else is in submission to. Now I don't want you to think about Allah for a second. وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى. I just want to get a psychological state across to you. You're being told about this important entity that everybody has respect for, that has this grand kingdom, right? This really important figure. And then all of a sudden you're told, He's right there next to you. What happens to you? Aren't you like shaken up, like, wait, He's here? He's with me? Does your behavior experience a change if you realize someone of that value, that importance, that grandeur, that scale, that magnitude is there? And by the way, if that important a person, at the human level, if that important a person was with you personally, ready to listen to you, would you not make whatever requests you possibly could? Wouldn't you? Allah Azza wa Jal offers His ma'iyyah, His closeness. And I personally take from it, in the surahs that are addressing the weakness of iman, perhaps the realization that Allah is accompanying us in our life. Allah's ma'iyyah, Allah's closeness, His withness is there all the time. When that recognition starts getting diluted, our iman starts getting diluted. Our faith, our conviction, our struggle, the zeal to struggle starts getting diluted. This surah will also be a very good comprehensive view of the reality of spirituality. The essence of spirituality. This surah, to me at least, addresses that problem in the most comprehensive way. And what real spirituality is, and what fake spirituality is. It actually addresses both of those. It addresses them in a very powerful way. But now in the beginning, this iman in Allah, which is at the heart of our faith. وَاللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ بَصِيرٌ. And Allah, in regards to everything that you're doing, is in full view. لَهُ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. To Him alone belongs the kingdom of the skies and the earth. Has this already been mentioned, that He owns the kingdom of the skies and the earth? It has been. Now it's being mentioned again. First it was being mentioned without mention of you. It was mentioned without mention of you. Then it was mentioned He's with you. And He's watching everything you're doing. Oh, and let me remind you again, He's the king of the skies and the earth. The king is watching you. He's got His attention on you.